apart from buying all of your books, what advice would you give to somebody? And you know, my world is real estate developers who, for the first time in history, have been allowed to actively market to raise money for their projects. What advice would you give to somebody listening now who has never marketed online, let's say before? What would be the key piece of advice that you would give them?
I think look at what other people are doing in other industries. Innovative people, innovative companies are doing in other industries, and think about how you can bring it back into your industry. It's really easy to focus on just what you're doing today and the ways of doing business today and sort of a small micro improvement in what you're doing that will make tomorrow or next week easier. But as we think longer term, 5 years, 10 years, whatever it might be, the more we're looking outside our industries, not just in our own industries, but outside our industries, the more we understand how business is being done more generally, and the more we can draw some lessons that are really valuable. One thing I loved about writing this book is take that example, providing a menu, right? I got that idea from talking to a great consultant, someone who sells essentially ideas for a living. And then I talked to a parenting expert who basically said the exact same thing. Said, when you're trying to get your kids to eat their vegetables or put their clothes on at night, give them a choice. Do you want to put on your pajamas first, your pajama top, or your pajama bottom? Do you want to eat your broccoli first or your chicken? And so it's not just about looking within one industry. It's really easy to be narrowly focused on your own industry, and I think that's good up to a point, right? Take your head a little bit out of that sand, look around, see what's going on in other spaces. It may not be useful tomorrow or next week, but in 5 years or in 10 years, it'll pay big dividends.